On September 29th, Palau launched its Sustainable Tourism Strategy 2025 to 2028. The strategy outlines plans to support tourism development while addressing environmental protection and community needs. During the event, the Bureau of Tourism highlighted initiatives in renewable energy and transportation. Director Elangal Mesob introduced a new fleet of eco-friendly buses and electric vehicles.
We are happy to introduce the new electronic vehicles. We have a mini sedan here and a minivan here. These vehicles will be used for government vehicles for a study that we're doing to understand how much money we're using on fuel and see if this initiative will help out. Also, the introduction of new 2 eco-friendly buses. These buses are upgraded with push buttons, handrails, and priority seats, and will expand the current public bus system.
These are intended to reduce emissions and provide cleaner, more efficient travel options for residents and visitors. The program also included presentations on renewable energy projects and a public walkthrough of the new buses. The launch marks the beginning of a 4-year plan aimed at aligning Palau's tourism growth with sustainability goals.